Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install and set up Microsoft Edge browser for POCO X2 Find Neo. And to do this, we'll need to open our Google Play Store. Right here, find Microsoft Edge. Select this app and install it. After installation process is finished, you should be able to launch it. Now you can sign in to turn on synchronization. You can do it later. You can also set up for a data sharing preference and set Microsoft Edge as a default browser. Lastly, let's open any website. And as you can see, this browser works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.